What's up, YouTubers? I haven't made a video in a while. It's November something of Saturday night, and I'm just bored, so I figured I'd come out and do the oil change on my bike that I've been meaning to do for a little while. Got a quart of Golden Spectral gear lube, 80 weight. Got the tools already. Just now let me make up a little tripod here. Had the heat on and got her all heated up out here. That should be good right there. Oh, I might just find a little round thing I should like to sit on. There we go. Haven't made a video in a while. Riding's pretty much over here in Michigan. It's hunting season now, so I'm going to get shot. And it's going to be snowing any day, so it's starting to get cold. So I figure I'll prep the bike and get it ready for next season's riding and put some fresh oil in it. Never changed the oil on it yet. See, it's tight. You want to go loose. So, where's that tight? Let's see. That's tight. And there we go. Oh, it's tight. Don't tell me she's stripped in there. Got a good deal on this bike. Traded 2 4-wheelers. I figured I'd give her a little love. Change oil. Real clean. Clean oil. Didn't really even need to be changed. I think the guy prepped this bike for me when he traded. If he only knew what he was getting, the old junk he was getting, but he wanted that junk, so he got it. As you can see, that oil is clean. Look at her, she's still nice and gold. Yep, but we're gonna put some fresh shit on her. Now it takes 0.7. I don't know what 0.7 is on this now. Shit, 0.7 of a quart. 0.7 liters. Let's see. 0.7 OL. 0.70 liters. So that'll be about somewhere on here 6. I'm gonna go with right there, so that'll leave us with a quarter of a quart. And while we're letting that oil drain, I done got the seat bolt loose. Check out the air filter, see how it looks. I'm gonna get her all cleaned up, ready. Look at that filter, not even dirty. Well, took care of the bike. I like this bike. Still got to get a light for it, but you know, I still got to finish that too. But doing other things with my money, like buying new furniture and shit, and Christmas is coming, and just everyday's life's bills, you know. Alright. Let that all keep draining. Filter looks good. Go ahead and wipe off the funnel. Wipe it all off. Ready? Wipe off this drain plug. Drain plug don't have a gasket on it. Or yeah, it does. Okay, you can barely see it. It's a metal gasket. I'm going to wipe all the sand and soot off of her and stuff that's accumulated to it. Clean her up a little bit. I'm going to get under there and wipe under everything. Nice and clean. Alright, let's put it back here.
How may I help you? Well, I'm looking for an all-mountain
Harbor Flight snowboard?
You guessed it. And a protective
With Allure helmet.
perfect.
Encore chill stick shoes.
This is going to be a
Take the
great
drain plug back up.
We know what you need because later when
I
you
wonder if you can even see this on the camera.
30% on select winter gear, outerwear, clothing, and boots.
No. So, there we go.
Great news from your friends at Buck Whalen Chevrolet. The all-new 2011 Chevrolet Cruze has arrived. Hurry to Buck Whalen Chevrolet and check out their huge selection of the all-new 2011 Cruze and the hard-to-find Chevrolet Equinox. Michigan's largest selection of new Chevrolets and the only dealer to guarantee the lowest price of inventory.
We've all enough torque on it.
17.5 mile in Van Dyke and Sterling Heights. Visit buckwhalen.com.
They're all wiped out, cleaned up.
It's 1-800-WAT-LAN and the number 1.
In the event of a serious injury, there's one thing you should know. Not all hospital emergency rooms are designated trauma centers.
Where are you calling from, sir?
I'm on I-96 in Paso.
Is anyone hurt?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure there is. The guy smacked the windshield pretty hard.
In order to become a designated trauma center, you have to meet rigid requirements. Maybe that's why there's so few of them. And the trauma center at Botsford Hospital is the newest one.
Botsford Trauma Center?
Fresh oil. $8.95 a quart.
From a serious car
Just for
accident,
one quart.
chest pain to a compound fracture, Botsford Hospital stands prepared 24/7.
I can't believe something just happened. I could have been part of that.
Should you ever need a designated trauma center, minutes
Yeah,
can
it's
mean the
slow.
difference between life and death. That's why it's good to know that the Botsford Trauma Center in Farmington Hills is fully prepared.
Sir, a team of specialists will be waiting for them at the Botsford Trauma Center.
Okay, thank you.
Botsford Hospital.
This funnel don't quite fit in the hole.
Big results.
I don't want it going anywhere, so I like my shit neat.
Today's letter comes from Amy K. She writes, Dear Miss Sue, I'm looking for a perfect gift for my husband. He's a big radio fan, but I don't know what to get him. Well, I think you need to get him an HD radio. It's a perfect holiday gift. They start as low as $50. There are no monthly subscription fees, and you get more local stations for less money. And Amy, out of all the letters I've received this holiday season, this was the easiest part of us all.
More stations, no monthly fees.
And the perfect holiday gift, HD radio.
Bloodsport, gotta go to the store.
Oh, Dad, the grocery store?
No, Billy, your favorite. Colosanti's Market and the Snooks Butcher Shop. You know the one with the model train that circles the store? Oh, the talking birds in the greenhouse. It's not a grocery store, it's a market with a bakery, deli, and butcher shop, wine shop, and greenhouse. They have their Christmas greenery in. So it kind of reads for our front door. Then we'll get dinner. This week they have USDA choice sirloin steaks for just $5.99 a pound.
Steak? Yum! Dad, can we go now?
Colosanti's Market and Snooks Butcher Shop. The freshest foods at farmers market prices on Milford Road in Iowa.
And 87654. Alright, a little bit more and it'll be done. Alright, that's all she takes. What? You didn't take the top. Alright, she's full of oil. Cap will back up. Midnight over here, so I might even start her up just for a second. We can start it in a minute. Got her. Alright. Oil's in. Button the hands off. Fresh oil change, that quick on a dirt bike. Alright, let's start it up real quick. Oh, we got a couple minutes left. The cord's there. I don't even know if she'll start this hole. Get it started.